If you have a house in Cleveland, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Cleveland, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to briefly explain why so many sellers in the Cleveland area prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer rather than going the traditional path of using a real estate agent and then using a mortgage or some type of lender to buy your house. So first and foremost, people love working with us because we're going to keep it very, very easy. And the way that we do that is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't have to fix anything. You don't have to clean anything. You don't got to haul anything away. That means no trips to the Home Depot. You don't got to pull out the paper towels and the Windex and clean the windows. You don't have to haul anything away. In fact, a normal conversation with a seller of a property in Cleveland is you can take anything that you want out of the house. So any family collectibles or belongings, take anything that you want. Anything that you just don't need or don't want, you can leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. We're truly going to buy the house in its as-is condition, so you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to offer any type, you don't got to mow the grass, you don't got to clean the garage, you don't got to deal with the chipped paint or a broken window, nothing whatsoever. Because what allows us to buy your house in its as-is condition is we're not using a traditional lender. We're buying your house for cash, so there's no third-party approvals needed for us to make an offer and close on your house. Now, when you're working with more of a traditional type of buyer, they might be working with a real estate agent and working with a mortgage company to buy your house. First off, if they're working with a real estate agent, that real estate agent is going to be expecting some commissions out of this transaction, and that very likely could come out of your pocket. That is not necessary. You don't have to pay that money. When you sell to us, we're a direct buyer. There are no fees, no commissions, and no hidden costs whatsoever, no middleman. Also, a traditional buyer using a mortgage company, they're going to send through a formal inspection and a formal inspector. And I'm here to let you know, this is where things could get complicated because this inspector's job is to find everything wrong with your house. They're going to check every outlet. They're going to check every light switch, every light bulb. It's an absolute nightmare. They're going to come up with pages and pages and pages of stuff that's wrong with the house. For us, we don't deal with these formal inspections. We don't care. We buy the house as is. There's not going to be a formal inspection or anything like that. We know what we're getting into. When it comes to somebody who's using a mortgage company or a lender, well, they're going to send their formal inspection through. It's actually pretty intrusive, if you ask me, and they're coming up with all the stuff that's wrong with your house, and that could only be used against you at this point. They're going to want to renegotiate. They're going to want to get credits or something like that. It's just big delays for you. It could be costly for you, and then if you make it through this thorough inspection from this traditional buyer, now they're going to send through their appraiser. And I'm here to let you know the appraiser typically is even worse than the inspection. So when you're dealing with a traditional buyer, it can be costly. You're relying on hope, and what you're doing is giving all your control over to this traditional buyer. And more specifically, you're giving the control over to their lender, because if their lender does not green light this thing, then the deal's never going to close. With us, we're a direct buyer. There's no third parties needed, and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition, and you get to pick your own closing date. So you keep all the control, you're going to have all the clarity, all the certainty, you're going to know when this thing closes. So if you have a house in the Cleveland, Ohio area and you're looking to sell it fast, easily, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. It's because we were founded in Columbus, but I'm born and raised in the Cleveland area, and we are very actively buying houses in Cleveland, Ohio. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline in which you want to close. If you want to close quickly, we can make that happen for you. If you need more flexibility and you want to set a target future date, we can accommodate that as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Cleveland house. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and we're going to communicate clearly with you throughout the whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We're not here to leave a bad taste in your mouth. We will shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to apply pressure or some gimmicks or sales tactics. We're not going to waste your time. We are locals. We are here in Ohio. This isn't some foreign call center or something like that that's here to play games with you. You would see through that anyway. Right? If you're in the Cleveland area, you know BS when you see it. So we're local. We're going to treat you fair. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. And if you have a house in the Cleveland area that you want a fair cash offer on, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.